Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review WP Security Ninja. So this is a plugin for your WordPress website that can protect it from all kinds of threats, all kinds of potential threats. So WP Security Ninja offers firewall protection. It also has scanner, malware scanner. You can also run various tests in order to ensure the security of your website. And Security Ninja is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The lifetime price is only $39 and this is a one-time single payment. So now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $39 where you can use the plugin only for one website. But if you have more than one website, you will need the less tier 2 that lets you add 5 websites, which means you can use the plugins on 5 websites. There's also tier 3 that lets you add the plugin on 20 websites. And one of the best features on the tier 3 is the white labeling. So you can customize the branding completely how you want in this tier 3, something you do not get on tier 2 or tier 1. There is also tier 4. So if you have more than 20 websites and you want to use the plugin on all of those websites, you can opt for this tier that lets you add unlimited websites. And the tier 4 also has the white labeling feature. So if you want to buy WP Security Ninja on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard. So WP Security Ninja is a plugin for WordPress. So in order to install the plugin, first what you have to do is come to the WordPress dashboard of your website and then you have to make sure you are on this plugin section. So now there are multiple ways in order to add the plugin. So if you click on this add new plugin, so as you can see, here are all of the plugins that are going to appear. You can search for the WP Security Ninja from this box. Let me show you. So as you can see, the first result is exactly the result that we are looking for. This is the WP Security Ninja. So you can just activate it from here. But there is also another method, that is you have to click on this upload plugin. And if you have purchased the plugin, you might get the zip file for that, for the premium version. So what you have to do is upload that zip file on here and then just click on install now. And that is all you have to do. The plugin is going to be automatically installed successfully. So after installing, you have to make sure it is activated. So go to these plugins. And as you can see, if you have a closer look, you can see the Security Ninja, the WP Security Ninja, the premium version. So I have already activated it. So make sure you do the same. And you can also enable the auto updates. I recommend doing that from here. And once you complete all of these tasks, the Security Ninja plugin is going to appear just like this. So now all you have to do is just click on this. So there you go. Now we are in the dashboard of Security Ninja. So the first feature on this dashboard is this test. So this is the website security test and this test contains multiple tests and you can see all of them on here. So as you can see, it is going to check if the WordPress is up to date. It is also going to check if the automatic WordPress core updates are enabled, the plugins are up to date, if there are any deactivated plugins. So there are a lot of security checks that are going to be done with just this single test. As you can see, here are the full list of the tests. And a great feature on here is that each of these tests has their own description. So for example, if you want to know details about this first test, so all you have to do is just click on these details. And then you can see a full description about what kind of test this particular one is going to be. So what I want to do is just click on this run test and then let's see what kind of result we get. Okay, so all of the tests are done successfully. Now we can see the result. So the first test was failed. So I'm not using the latest version of WordPress. And then the second test is okay. So the core updates are configured optimally. And then there's another test that has been failed. So at least 3 plugins have new versions and they have to be updated. So just like this, you can see all of the result. You can see which one is okay. And then you can see all the failed tests. So as you can see, here is the full result. And all of the results have detailed explanation. So for example, as you can see on this first test, I can see why the test was failed. And one of the best features of this test is that you can even apply fix directly from here. So Security Ninja doesn't only give you the result, it also lets you fix the problem just by one click. So I can just click on this and this test is going to be passed. So just like this, for this failed test, if I open the details, I can once again apply the fix in order to pass this test. So this is really good. You get the explanation as well as the fix just with one click. And on top you can see how many tests are passed and the amount of warnings, the amount of tests that are failed, and you can also see your overall score. And all of them are categorized also using this filter. So if you just want to see the failed ones, just click on this. So now you can see all of the failed ones, and you can also apply fix directly from here. And you can also see the warnings. So these two are warnings, the passed and the untested. So none of them were untested. And then we have these vulnerabilities on top. So let's go here. So this is the vulnerability scanner, and fortunately no known vulnerabilities found on my website from this scan. So you just have to make sure you have turned this vulnerability scanning on, and then it is going to automatically check for any vulnerabilities. You can also enable this admin counter that is going to disable the warning notice in admin pages, and you can also get email warnings, which means if you have any vulnerabilities, if Security Ninja detects them, they are going to send emails as warning in order to let you know. And then we have this core scanner. So we can scan the core files. Let's do this. Okay, so for the core scanning, no problems were found. And what this feature does is check for modified files in WordPress, and it is going to detect all the extra files that should not be on your account or on your server. And then we have the very popular malware scanner. So we can scan our site for any malwares. So let's scan that. Okay, so after the malware scanning, we have found two issues. So there were two unknown files. These two are those. So if you think these files are not a risk, you can also whitelist them, or you can also delete them. And if you click on this arrow, you can see exactly the location where this file is detected. And then we have the firewall protection. So for that, click on here. Okay, so I enable the firewall, and now there are a lot of settings that I can adjust. So I can prevent banned IPs from accessing the site, block suspicious page, I can turn on the cloud firewall, block IP network. So there are a lot of features on this firewall protection. You can also change various settings about visitor logging, and there are also login form protection. So these are all the settings that you will be able to adjust. And once all the settings are done, just click on the save changes. And after firewall, we have the scheduler. So you can schedule various tests or scanning from here. So first of all, here is the scanning setting. So you can enable schedule scan only for security testing, or for core scanner, or for both. You can select the time. So it could be monthly, weekly, hourly, or whatever you want. You can also get email reports, and you have to provide the email recipient on this box. And then you can also see the scanning logs. You can also delete all the log entries if you want. And after the scheduler, we have these events on Security Ninja. So on events, we can see all of the activities that are happening within Security Ninja. So you can see the test that you're running, the malware scanning that you're running, and literally any activity that is happening within Security Ninja. And then we have the white labeling option. So you can enable the white label from here. Just click on turn it on, and then you can provide the plugin name. You can change it however you want. You can provide a description, change the author name, the author URL, the plugin icon URL, as well as the plugin menu icon URL. So this was everything about WP Security Ninja. And from the right side, you will get some documentation such as the plugin help. You can also learn more about this tool, about the test and all that. Overall, I think WP Security Ninja is an excellent tool that protects your WordPress website. It has malware scanner, firewall protection. It can run various tests. And if your website fails any of the tests, you can also apply fixes directly from the dashboard with just one click in order to fix that problem. So if you want to buy WP Security Ninja on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also license tier 3.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.